This is the ear sound. Keep watching to find out how it's pronounced in British English. Hi everybody and welcome back to Lean English. I'm Ed and I'm here to help you achieve your pronunciation goals. Before we start, remember to like this video if you find it useful and subscribe for more British English pronunciation lessons in the future. Now let's look at the ear sound in a bit more detail. Do you remember the I sound which we looked at in a previous video? The ear sound is produced in a similar way. So first produce the I sound. Now do it again, but this time produce a long sound instead. Ear, ear. Well done, you just produced the ear sound. Traditionally, this sound was pronounced as a centering diphthong, which transitioned from E to ear. However, the symbol is a bit out of date because this sound is pronounced more like a long vowel sound in modern pronunciation. Obviously, in real conversation, we don't produce the I sound first, but you can use this trick to find the correct mouth position. So try and remember the mouth position and produce the sound again. Ear, ear. Now, look at these words. Can you identify the ear sound? Listen and see if you can hear it. Really. Tear, very, beer, series, weird, bear, theory. The ear sound is usually spelt with the letters E, double E or EA in combination with the letter R. There are also some less common spellings to be aware of, such as in the words tear, weird and theory. The ear sound may be confused with the air sound in minimal pairs such as beer, bear, dear, dare, hear, hair, really, rarely, tear, tear. Remember to keep your mouth more closed when you produce the ear sound to avoid confusing it with the air sound in these minimal pairs. Now let's practice. Listen and repeat after me. My ears hear clearly. Cheers for the beer, dear. A really weird experience. The engineer's nearly here. We're pioneering a superior theory. Words that end with the ear sound usually contain the letter R, but the letter R is silent because it's not followed by a vowel sound. However, it may be followed by a vowel sound in connected speech if the next word starts with a vowel. In this case, the sound is inserted. For example, ear. My ear aches. This is known as the linking R, and it's a way of linking words together in connected speech. Words that end in the ear sound but don't contain the letter R can still be linked with the sound provided the next word starts with a vowel sound. For example, idea. The idea is excellent. When the sound is inserted to link words that don't contain the letter R, it's known as the intrusive R. I recommend you watch my previous video on linking for more information about this. Well, that's the end of the lesson, but can you use the ear sound in a sentence? Leave me some examples in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.